Since everyone thinks my cars are perfect, let me show you things that I don't like about this car. That's far from perfect, okay? First off, what is that? See that wrap scratch right there? That was because I had the Saban Mugen style wing and it kind of curved down this way. And I was just scratching this because it was covered, like it's mounted like this. So yeah, that's one thing that's not perfect with my build. And then next, look at that wrap area right there. Same wing thing that wrapped around. I mean, obviously when the wing was installed, you couldn't see that, but this is a wrap. So those are the things that I don't like. And then let's see, oh, look at this. See this diffuser gap right there? That yellow bumper to the diffuser? That one is slightly smaller than this. See that? Not because my measurement was bad, it's because the diffuser, I mean, it kind of flexes a little bit when it's installed. So yeah, not perfect. And then what else? Let's go around this way. Look at this. Oh, you guys think my car is perfect? Nope. What is that? Look at that poopy spot on the wrap that's kind of showing white. Womp, womp, womp. And then going out here, let me show you. Oh yeah. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but this molding, the OEM molding I removed, and the squares are still there. You can actually see the color difference. Let me show you on the other side. So on the other side of the car, you can actually see the sun shine through it. See that? Haha, those are little squares. Oh, what a half-assery. Oh, and then the door handles. Look at the keyhole. The keyhole's not perfectly cut anymore because it's starting to pull a little bit. That's my wrap job. Womp, womp, womp. What else? Oh, this. Look at this. This fender sticks up just a smidge from the body line. Like, what kind of OCD guy lets that happen? And then, what else? Oh, right here. I didn't take my sweet time to really fit this like nice and tight. So I got a small gap there. It's kind of like the OEM gap actually, which this one is slightly closer. See that? I don't know, guys. I don't know if I'm actually Mr. OCD. Oh, and look at this. You got a little chip right there from a rock that I didn't fix. But to be fair, we put about 200,000 miles on this between me and my dad. And I built this for the canyons. It's not a show car, it's not a SEMA car. I take it to the track here and there, but mainly I rip it at the local canyons at night. And if you guys haven't seen those videos, scroll back. I'm not the slowest driver out there, but I'm not the fastest either. But I absolutely rip on this car, and I don't really care about minor nicks and dings and all that stuff.